commentary has been.
There is a international Case IH 1680 combine filled Pioneer, with decal seed coming to dump into the truck. Oh, she's almost done. She's dumping into the back hopper, which means one more bin and a little more and we'll be done tonight. It's March, 12th today?
About May.
Okay, it's May 12th. About...
Actually the 11th.
It's 8:05 on March 11th.
May 11th.
May 11th. Maybe I'm tireder than I think that I am. And maybe this will never see the light of day, I hope. But this is the culmination of a lot of hard work and much, much money. For another round.